केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं।
शिवा, ईशा का मतलब जानते हो तुम? पार्वती। अब शिवा का साथ पार्वती नहीं देगी तो कौन देगा?
पतझड़ के मौसम में भी रंगी चनारों जैसी झनके सन्नाटों में, तू वीणा के तारों जैसी। सदियों से भी लंबी ये मन की अमावस्या है, और तू फुलझड़ियों वाले त्योहारों जैसी। चंदा भी दीवाना है तेरा, जलती है तुझसे सारी चकोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, इश्क है पिया, केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, इश्क है पिया, केसरिया। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, इश्क है पिया, केसरिया। थोड़ी जगह दे दे मुझे, तेरे पास कहीं रह जाऊं मैं। थोड़ी जगह खामोशियां तेरी सुनूं, और दूर कहीं ना जाऊं मैं। अपनी खुशी दे के मैं तुझे, तेरे दर्द से जुड़ जाऊं मैं। मिला जो तू यहाँ मुझे दिलाऊं मैं, यकीन तुझे रहूं होके तेरा सदा, बस इतना चाहता हूँ मैं। थोड़ी जगह दे दे मुझे, तेरे पास कहीं रह जाऊं मैं। खामोशियां तेरी सुनूं, और दूर कहीं ना जाऊं मैं। बेसहारा तेरे बिना मैं, तू जो ना हो तो मैं भी नहीं। देखूं तुझे यारा जितनी दफा मैं, तुझ पे है आता मुझको यकीन, सबसे मैं जुदा होके अभी तेरी रूह से जुड़ जाऊं मैं। मिला जो तू यहाँ मुझे दिलाऊं मैं, यकीन तुझे रहूं होके तेरा सदा, बस इतना चाहता हूँ मैं। थोड़ी जगह लगता है कि बातें दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी। तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है, बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो। दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया। खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया। बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम। तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम। तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम। तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम। तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम, तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. इस जगह आ गई चाहते अब मेरी, छीन लूंगा तुम्हें सारी दुनिया.
Hello, Buddha.
से ही तेरे
You are staying with grade 7 English medium class. So, Buddha, today I'm going to discuss the lesson indices, that is your unit number 5. And I know there are so many new students here as well. So you will realize how is our class is happening. And Buddha, this is the tutorial for the month of March. So Buddha, in our class, the main feature of our class is your tutorial will be received to your home within like 2 to 3 days after the class payment, right? And also Buddha, today I'm going to cover up the lesson indices. My all students, you already have the tutorial of the previous month, so you can do in the tutorial. And new students, Buddha, you have to maintain 2 books, workbook and notebook. I will let you know how our class will be happening and everything. Meanwhile, I am doing the lesson. Now we shall go to the lesson. We shall start the lesson, right? So new students, they can take your notebook and start to write for today. The topic is indices, right? We shall go to the lesson then. Write down the topic. Yeah, write down the topic. Indices. Write down the topic. Indices. Turn on the chat. Puthe, how are you? Turn on the chat. Puthe, how are you? Write down the topic. Indices. This is unit number 5. Indices. Put new to the chat if you are a new student. Put new to the chat if you are a new student, brand new student. Okay, I can see so many new students here. Okay, of the chat. Right. Put up. For example, if I multiply 3 6 times together, for example, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Are 3 into if I multiply 3 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6, I can write this as 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6. Put here. So we have written this in indices form. Indices form, right? For this 3, we call it as the base. For this 3, we call it as the base. All right. For this 6, we call it as the index. Put the write down. I mean, new students, you can write down. My all students, they already have the tute with them. Tute of the February month. For this, we call it as the index. Right? How to read this? Put 3 to the power 6. All right. For whole thing, we call it as a power. For whole thing, we call it as a power. How we can read this? We can read this as 3 to the power 6. We can read this as 3 to the power 6. Okay, Budhe? Right. 3 to the power 6. If I multiply 3 6 times together, that thing I can write as 3 to the power 6. This 3 is the base, this 6 is the index, right? This whole thing we call it as a power. How to read this? 3 to the power 6. How to read this? 3 to the power 6. Right. Okay, Budhe? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Only. Okay, put the number 2, right? Write as index notation. This is number 1, right? This is number 1. Put number 1 here. If I multiply 3 6 times, that thing I can write as 3 to the power 6, right? 3 to the power 6. Okay, put number 2 and let's do this with it. Okay, let's do this in index notation. Sorry, write down this in index notation. So here we can see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. So this thing we can write as 9 to the power 6. 9 to the power 6 in index notation. Likewise, do this. So here we can see with the number 2. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Here minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 3 to the power 4. Minus 3 to the power 4. Here it is minus 7 in the minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. That thing we can write minus 7 to the power 3. Minus 7 to the power 3. Put here fifth one. Okay, let's do this. Hurry up and let's do this. Write this in index notation. Here it is 0.3 to the power 3. Here it is 2.7, right? 2.7 to the power 3. What about this with a half? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So half to the power 5. Half to the power 5. What about this with a 3 over 5 into 3 over 5 into 3 over 5, right? So 3 over 5, third power, no, to the power 3. What about this with a 1, 2, 3, 4? This thing we can write it as minus 11 to the power 4. Here it is. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Right. Putha, you need to know about the sign conversion. Let me remind you about the sign conversion. Sign conversion. Putha, plus into plus. It is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. Putha, you can remember this. If you multiply same signs, it is plus. Plus into minus, it is minus. And minus into plus, it is minus. If you multiply different signs, plus and minus, it is minus. You can remember this, right? So in here, we can write this as, now here I can take minus outside and here minus 2.5, right, into 2.5 into 2.5, right? So here the minus means we can also consider as minus 1, right? Make a minus 1 consider anyhow, right? So 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5, it is 2.5 to the power 3. So it is minus 2.5 to the power 3. Right. Turn on the chat. Put yes to the chat if you could understand properly. Up to here. Ari? Put yes to the chat if you could understand this properly up to here. Very nice. Right. Of the chat. Puta, I know there are new students here. Puta, in our class, normally when after the completion of a particular lesson, there will be a unit test, and also after completion of a month, there will be a tute test. So, Puta, recently we have conducted our final unit test and the tute test of the previous month. That means in the month of January, ne? Right? So these are the results. So now I am going to announce the top 10 results of the unit test and the previous unit test and the previous tute tests. Let's see who are the top 10 students who have got the highest marks. And other students' marks will be updated on the website. Now I'm going to announce the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the unit test for the operations on whole numbers. First place goes to Pahandi, Pasara Central College. Second place goes to LA Bihandu Tatsarani Senaratna Lyceum International College, Nurelia. Third place goes to Sohansa Bandara Umud College, Kandy. Fourth place goes to Kiseni Chenaya from Vidura College. Fifth place goes to Yenadu Menunika from Nalanda College, Colombo. And sixth place goes to Minuki St. Mary's Convent College. Seventh place goes to Hiruja Sehas from the Masonette College. Eighth place goes to Muhammad Al Fatih, BC, Aligra Central College, and Inha from the Tamil Girls Mahavidyalaya. And 10th place goes to Dinadi Amarasinghe from Mahamaya Girls College, Kandy. Okay, let's see who are the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the tute test of the month of January. The first place goes to Tiseni Shenaya from Vidura College. Second place goes to LA Bihandu Tatsarani Senaratna from Lyceum International College, Nurelia. Third place goes to Sohansa Tanuni Bandara from Gilwood College. And fourth place goes to Muhammad Al Fatih from Algra Central College. W. Tikshana from Hambantota Meliata Central College. And sixth place goes to Inha from Tamil Girls Mahavidyalaya. And seventh place goes to H.A. Dilmina Pankaj from Isipatana College, Colombo 5. And eighth place goes to Dinadi Amarasinghe from Mahama Girls College, Kandy. And ninth place goes to Senara Dahamli from New State Girls College, Kala, Nigambu. And 10th place goes to Pahan Gulmet from JGO International College, Nigambu. So these are the top 10 students who have got the highest marks for the previous unit test and also for the monthly test or the tute test. And the marks of all other students would be updated on your website, and you can see that. And new students, but wait for it. I will explain each and everything about our classes after meanwhile, right? There are so many options, right? You can have in my classes. So I will explain them. Puta, shall we go for the next one? Number 3. Shall we go for the next one? Number 3. Then my past pupils, Pute, they already have the tute with them. Then this is the tute of month of February, right? Then this is the tutorial for the month of March. Once you pay the class fee for the month of March, you would receive this tutorial within like 2 days to your home, right? 2 to 3 days, most probably 2 days now. All right, okay. So, Pute, we shall go for the next one. Now we can understand, right, how to write these things in an index notation. Okay, let's go to the number 3. Let's go to the number 3. Right, and here I have given in index notation. Now you have to expand this. Expand karan balan. Expanded form making and write this in expanded form. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So here put 8 to the power 3. So 8 to the power 3, I can write it as 8 into 8 into 8. Put 11 to the power 4. That thing I can write as 11 into 9 to the power 5. So 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 11 to the power 4. So minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11. Put 5 over 8. It's to the power 3, so that thing I can write as 5 over 8. Also, you can use a bracket if you want. That doesn't matter. So here, minus 2.8 into minus 2.8 into minus 2.8. 13 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, Buddha, minus 2 over 7 to the power 3. Then some students, they might have a problem, sir, ma'am. Why, sir? Then here it is minus 2 over 7, right? Then minus 2 over 7 means, then actually, Buddha, here, if I put minus here, what we need to know is, here, minus 2 over 7, that means actually it is minus, here it is plus, no? The minus over plus means minus. Now we shall discuss that in later, actually, the sign conversion and directed numbers. Don't worry about it. So if you have a problem like that, it's okay. You can write like this, right? Minus 2 over 7 into minus 2 over 7 into here this one I can write as Buddha minus 37. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 to the power 5. Turn off the chat. Put yes to the chat if you can understand this, Buddha. Put yes to the chat if you can understand this properly. Nice. Okay. Off the chat. There was a student who has a problem. Let's go for that. Do we have to write in notebooks? Actually, the Puta, if you have the tutorial with you, my all students, they already have the tut with you, no? So you can do your works on the tutorial and do that again in the notebook. New students, I will let you know how the class is happening and everything. For today, you can just take this down on your notebook. Aryan, what's the problem? Yes, Aryan, what's the problem? Turn on the mic, Aryan. Aryan, we have, yes, tell me. Yes, Pude.
අර ටෙස්ට් එකක් තිබ්බ අර top 10
Yep.
ඒක සර් කවද්ද තිබ්බේ?
What did be? 23rd. Unit test 23rd. Tube
So
test
I
එක?
wasn't there no.
What? මොකක්ද ආර්යන්?
So මා එක හිටියේ.
ඇයි ඒ? We have informed you නේ පුතා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා හිටියේ නෑනේ කමන්නේ. ඊළඟ ඉඳලා ඉන්න හරියට හරිද? Okay?
ඒක ලින්ක් එකක් තියෙනවද සර්?
මොනවද?
ලින්ක් එකක් තියෙනවද ඒකට?
ඔව් අපි ඒවා ඉන්ෆෝම් කරලා කමියුනිටි වල දාලා දැන් අනිත් ළමයි ඔක්කොම ඒක ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. ළමයි දවස් ගාණක් ලියලා. ඔයා තමයි ලියලා නැත්තේ. කමන්නේ. නේ ඊළඟ එක ඉඳලා හරියට ඒ වැඩ ටික කරගෙන යන්න ඕන. හරි? ඕකේද?
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay. The students, actually my past students, Buddha, you already have the tute with you now. So you shall do your works on the tutorial. My new students, but you don't have the tute of February, no. So don't worry, this lesson is on the February tute. So just take it on your notebooks. Meanwhile, I am explaining about the classes. I will let you know how to work on our classes, okay? Right. The next subtopic is power that the base is an algebraic symbol. Right on. Powers with base of algebraic terms. Putha, what do you mean by a algebraic term? An algebraic term? What do you mean by an algebraic term? Algebra, Vija Ganitha, algebraic terms, Vijaya Pada. Putha, for the algebraic terms, we are using simple letters of English alphabet. For example, like X, Y, Z, B, C, right? These are algebraic terms. And future lessons, we will learn about the algebraic expressions. For an algebraic term, like if I, for an algebraic term, if I add a constant value, if I add another algebraic term, sorry, another two algebraic terms, whatever, right? The algebraic expressions, we will study about them when we go to those lessons, right? So here you have to understand that, okay, for example, like if I multiply A into A into A into A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this thing I can write as A to the power 6 in index notation. A to the power 6. So, Bude, here, the A is the base. Here, A is the base. Here, 6, it is the index. It is the index. We call this as a power. This is the index notation. We can write it, we can read it as A to the power 6. Index notation. Right? Okay. Tute A to the power 5 තියෙන්නේ, don't worry about it. Pute, let's go to the number 4. Pute, let's go to the number 4. Do this. Hurry up and do this. a to the power 3. Expand කරන්න මේක. a into a. x to the power 4 පුතා. x into x into x into x. y to the power 5. y into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus a into minus a into minus a into minus a. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus b to the power 3 minus b into minus b into minus b. Okay. Okay, let's go for the number 5. Chirupati Bala. Now here it is 2 into a into a into a. Here you have to understand the factor that here a into a thing I can write as a to the power 3. A to the power 3. So 2 into a to the power 3, it is 2 a to the power 3. Sorry. Then here it is, Putame, 3 into 3, I can write it as 3 to the power 2. Here x into x thing, I can write it as x to the power 3. So, Puta, 3 to the power 2 into x to the power 3. Then here we can write like this. 3 to the power 2 into x to the power 3. If you don't write anything here, it means the multiplication of these two terms. Okay. So what about they? But you have to understand then here. Then if I write like this, then 5 into 2 into 5, what is the answer? 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 5, 50. It doesn't matter if you switch the terms, ne? Multiplication, switch if I put 5 here, the same answer comes 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 2, it is 50. Right? You can understand that. Because of that, there, what you have to understand is, Pudha, here you can see me 5, 5, 5. There are 3 5s. So 5 to the power 3. There are 2 a's, a to the power 2. And only one b. So b to the power 1. එක b to the power 1 කියලා මෙහෙම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඒක නිකන් b කිව්වත් ඒ ඉන්නේ b to the power 1 තමයි. Right? Okay. So we can write like that. Turn on the chat. Put yes to the chat if you can understand properly. Okay. Of the chat. Let's go to the sixth problem. Sixth problem and seventh problem. Okay, I give you small time to do that. Here it is 5. I give you the sixth problem and seventh problem. Time ready karanna. Sixth problem and seventh problem. Give them like 3 minutes to complete this. 3 minutes then complete it. Okay, Buddha, let's see then. Here, let's see this. Here it is 7 into 7 into 7, it is 7 to the power 3, right? So 7 to the power 3, x into x, x to the power 2. Here a into a, here it is b into b, and 3 into 3. So we normally 3 into 3 කියන එක අපි මුලින් ලියමු 3 to the power 2. When a to the power 2 into b to the power 2. මේවා මාරුනාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ ළමයි. හරි. දැන් multiplication එක ගන්නනේ. terms මාරුනා කියලා උලන්නේ. But as a tradition නේද? We are writing the number first නේ. That's why I have written this here. Then here 9 to the power 2, p to the power 2, q to the power 2. Sorry. Right. What about the fourth one? What about the fourth one? Here you can see 11 into 11 into 11, it is 11 to the power 3. Here it is m into m, m to the power 2. Here it is n into n, n to the power 2. So with the 11 to the power 3, m to the power 2, n to the power 2. Here with the x into x, it is x to the power 2. Y into y into y into y. Y to the power 3. Z into z, z to the power 2. So x to the power 2, y to the power 3, z to the power 2. Two to the power 2, then a to the power 3, then b to the power 2. 11 to the power 2, y to the power 3, z to the power 2. Right, now it is time to explain about my classes for the new students. Hari? Right. Turn on the chat. Can you understand the things I have taught you so far? Put yes to the chat if you could understand properly the things I have taught you so far. Right, off the chat and go for the problem student. HPR. Namak harira dalat ne. Oh, HPR, what's the problem? What is the problem, Bude? Remove. Yes, Bude. Yes, tell me.
The fifth question,
Which one, Chuti?
question I didn't understand.
Which one, Bude? Question number 6.
Fifth, 5.
Question number 5.
Yes, sir.
So, which one, Bude? Which question?
The first, in the fifth one, the first one.
First one. Okay. Then here you can see, Nibuta, a into a, it is a to the power 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So, put 2 into a to the power 3. So, 2 a to the power 3. So, what you can't understand there? Actually, Now, okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, here we can see in Buddha 3 into 3, it is 3 to the power 2. No? Now, here x into x can x to the power 3. So, 3 to the power 2 into x to the power 3. Okay.
Sir, are we not putting the multiplication symbol middle
Now,
of
we
the
don't write Buddha. Then here, if I write like this, that means a into b Buddha. We don't write the multiplication sign. Then a b means Buddha a into b. Can you understand what I'm saying? Then a
Yes,
into
sir.
b, we can write it as ab. Now can you understand? So 2
Yes,
into
sir.
a to the power 3. So 2a to the power 3. Okay, Buddha?
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Very
sir.
nice. What about there? They also you can understand, right? The here Buddha
Yes, sir.
5 to the power 3 into a to the power 2 into b to the power 1. So we can write like that. Okay, there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Sahas.
සර් අර යුනිට් ටෙස්ට් එකේ
Yeah. Okay. So what?
ෆෝන් එකේ කැල්කියුලේටර් එකකින් හැදුවම ඒක මේ එන්නේ වෙන උත්තරයක්. හැබැයි අපි කටු වැඩ කොලී කරනකොට එන්නේ වෙන උත්තරයක්.
Pute, we have Tarindu, did you upload the answer sheet for the unit test? Puta, in website we have updated the answer sheet for the unit test. Can you check that?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Puta.
Thank you, sir.
Right. New students. Puta, let me explain about my classes for the new students. So I hope their parents and everyone is listening to this, right? Okay. So this is our timetable for the grade 7 English medium. Live class, it is Friday 5:30 to 7 p.m. If you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat class Monday 7 to 8:30 p.m. Repeat means Navata Vikashane, all right? It is not a live session. This live session will be rebroadcasted in the repeat class. Even though if you miss the live class or repeat class, or even if you did not miss the live class, if you want to watch again about the recording, you can watch the class recordings anytime that you want in using our website and also using our app as well. Right. Let me show our website first. Okay. Okay, Buddha. And also, before we go to the website, each and every month, you will receive your tutorial. You would receive your tutorial to your home, right? Within 2 to 3 2 days after the class payment. Then this tutorial is consist of all the theory matters that I am teaching in the class, and also there is another special tut for each and every lesson, and the answers will be uploaded to our website. I will show that. And here actually in our class, what you have to do, you have to do your works in the tutorial. That is why we are sending the tutorial. Here it is today 27 Nabuta. We have started to send the tutorials of the next month from the 25th of this month. So the students, they intend to pay the class fee of the next month in the 25th of this month, and they will receive their tutorial before month starts. Turn on the chat. Put yes to the chat if you have this tutorial with you right now. Make a March tut එක. මේක තියෙන කට්ටිය heart එකක් දෙන්න. All students. නැති කට්ටිය ඉන්න. එකක් දෙකක් පේනවද අර කීප දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. එයාලා කලින් class payment කරලා එයාලා tut එක දැන් මේ වෙනකොටත් එයාලා ගෙදර off the chat. Okay, other students don't worry. Can you see that you can see some hearts? No, then make a March tut. This is March tut, but already they have their tutorial with them. They have already paid the class fee for the month of March, and they already received their tutorial to their home before month starts. Okay, so we have to do all the works on the tutorial. So I have kept spaces for that and everything. I will show that. Each and every lesson there is a special extra tut as well. We call it as a special tut. We have to questions in, right? Okay, let's go to the website. Let me show our website features for you. So after you come to our classes, Pute, right, you will be able to access our website by using your number. Right? When you pay the class fee, you will be able to access our website, and when you go to your class, all the class recording will be uploaded like this. If you click the month and year, Then for example, January, click watch videos. There are all the class recordings like this. And also answers for the special tute and also the answers of the textbook exercises as well. So click then the answers for the textbook exercises. Put in our class, after completion of a lesson, you need to do all the special tute and also the textbook exercises. May then textbook exercises or answers. The special tute answers. Here you can see Hurry. You can see well organized. Everything is well organized. Sorry. Back when. Right. So you can see all the things are there. Sorry. Special tute answers, answers of the textbook exercises, and everything is there. And also there are answers unit test answers. February. Sorry. Let's go to the February. Here we can see. Then in all the textbook exercise textbook exercise answers. Okay. අපි දාන්න ඔයක් පන්න. අනිතව පෙන්නන්න යුනිට් ටෙස්ට් ආන්සර්ස් ටික මේ යුනිට් ටෙස්ට් එකක් තියලා ඒකේ ආන්සර්ස් ටික. ඔයාලගේ ලකුණුත් හම්බෙලා ඊට පස්සේ ආන්සර්ස් ටික. ඒ වගේ back වෙන්න. ඒතර ස්පෙෂල් ටියුට් එකේ ආන්සර්ස් ටික. ඒ ඔක්කොම වෙබ් එකකින් ඔයාලගේ බලන්න පුළුවන්. homeworks දෙනවා සමහර homeworks වල ආන්සර්ස් ටික. මේ everything you can take from the website. And the very special thing is that here it is tute tracking option. Tute track like Pizza Hut pizza order track. But when you go to the My Account and your test results will be uploaded here. But test results will update unit test, tute tracking. All options are there. The very special thing for the parents it is results. So we have proved the success of our classes through results. So we are the class having most number of A passes, 3,682 A passes. So here we have displayed our results. You can see the name, school, and the index number. Everything is there. So you can see our results as well. And also the testimonials, parent testimonials, student testimonials. Everything you can watch here when you go there. Here you can watch all the after result testimonials. And term test testimonials as well. There are a lot of videos. We have a product. That's what I need to tell you. Okay. So you can understand today. So you can understand that the tute will be delivered. Tute will be delivered to your home each and every month. So there is a special tute. The special tute answers textbook exercises or answers that will be up unit test, tute test, answers website. When term test comes, you will receive a pack of model term test papers, and we make you to write the paper on time in a timer class, and we rank you and we discuss that paper before the term test exams. Term test. So your tutor, I'm Mishara Madhushan, you know my name, right? My O-level results, it is 9 A's. My A-level results, 3 A's from math stream, and I have been graduated from University of Peradeniya as an electrical and electronic engineer. So you have all these options. Apart from the website, there is an app as well. We have an app, IMOS app. After you are coming to our classes, after completion of the website account, you can download our app, IMOS app, and you can watch recordings. And if you can use that to come to our live class as well, live notification and everything will become. So app web tute special tute, textbook exercise answers, unit test, tute test, term test, Eki, Meki, Noki. Everything will be delivered to you if you are coming to my classes. So what is the class fee of the? So our class fee is 2,000 rupees per month. So within this 2,000 rupees, you are having all these features, tute free to your home, and special tutes, answers, textbook exercise answers, unit test, tube test, your answers, website, app, term test, and everything, right? And actually the thing is, in a physical class also, when you go to the class, there will be a cost of 500 at least, no? When you come back home, there is another cost of 500 rupees. Most probably you are spending 1,000 rupees for the road per day. For 4 days, it is 4,000 rupees. I mean, for example, sorry, if the class fees, I don't know. So it is it exceed the lot. And time is very important. When you go to the physical class, you are spending like maybe some spend like 2 hours to go to the class. So come back another 2 hours, 4 hours to go and come. Sorry. No tute, no special tute, no unit test, no tute test, sorry, no web, no app, no term test. Even these qualifications are not shown in the right. Okay, but I heard a good name. Hurry. Okay. So if you want to continue my classes, what you need to do is now I am posting a WhatsApp community group link to your chat. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group. And also, Buddha, if you find any hard to find the WhatsApp community group, you can also WhatsApp this number. Hurry, this number, put hi to this WhatsApp number. Hurry, it will automatically reply you. Select the grade. After the selection of the grade, then you can select your medium. Then you will get all the details of the classes automatically to your WhatsApp. Hurry, if you find make sure to join with the WhatsApp community group link. Okay, Buddha, we shall go to the lesson. Right. Next subtopic is Buddha, finding the value of a power through the substitution. So write down substitution of values. Substitution කියලා කියන්නකෝ. Substitution. ආදේශ කිරීම. පුතේ. Everyone listen to this. Then for example, පුතේ, හරි? Let's see, 8th one. Okay. Find the value of, write down. Find the value of 2a square when a is equal to 3. Right. Buddha, what it says? Buddha, when a is equal to 3, what we have to understand is when a is equal to 3, hurry, what is the value of 2a square? That means we need to substitute 3 instead of a in this algebraic term or algebraic expression, algebraic term whatever. Instead of a, I have to substitute 3. When a is equal to 3, what is the value of 2a square? So here 2a square. Then 2a square. Instead of a, I put 3. So 2 instead of a, I put 3. 2 into 3 to the power 2. So Buddha, here 2 into 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3. Buddha, hurry. So 2 into 9. 3 into 3, 9. No? So 2 into 9, it is 18. Right. Can you understand this? Choti Butala, can you understand this? Huh? When a equal 3, the value of 2a square, it is 18. I substitute 3 instead of a to 2a square. Can you understand this, Budhe? Put yes to the chat if you can understand this substitution of values for the index notation. තේරෙන්නේ? අයියෝ. හරි. තේරෙන්නේ නැති බබෙක් මට කියන්න. අපි බලමු තේරෙන්නේ නැති බබෙක්. චෙනුමිදු. Chenumi, turn on the mic, please. Do.
Yes, sir.
You can't understand this, the?
Yes, sir.
Pute. Then here, I have to find the value of 2a square when a is equal to 3. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
what I do is, Puta, I substitute 3 instead of a. Then here 2a square. Ne? That thing I can write 2a square. Ne? 2 into a square. Let me a in. Ne? හරිද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
දැන්
Oh,
a
sir.
equal 3 වෙද්දි මේකේ වැලියු එකනේ. මේ a කියන කෙනාව මෙහෙම අල්ලලා ගලවලා විසි කරලා දානවා. a වෙනුවට මම 3ව දානවා. Can you understand? ඒව අරගෙන විසි
Yes.
කරලා දාලා a වෙනුවට 3 දානවා. because a equal 3 නේ. Okay පුතේ?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
එතකොට ඔන්න 2 into 3 square. I mean instead of a I put 3. 3 square means 3 into 3 නේ.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means 9, no? So 2 into 9,
Yes.
18. Can you
Okay,
understand?
sir.
Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear?
Thank you.
Now I am asking from all the students, can you understand? Put yes to the chat if you can understand this. Okay. All right, let's go for the next one. 9. Sorry? Put the 9, write down. Find 5a square b when a equal 3 and b equal 2. Choti Buddha. Then when a equal 3 and b equal 2, I have to find the value of 5a square b. පුතේ 5a square b. දැන් මේ 5a square b නේ. මෙහෙම මම ලියන්නම්කෝ. හරි. බලන්නනේ. Instead of a I put 3. So 5 instead of a මේ a ගලවලා අයින් විසි කරලා දැම්මා. a ට 3 දැම්මා. 3 square. මේ instead of b I put 2. Okay. 5. 3 to the power 2 කියන්නේ 3 into 3. And here it is 2. So පුතේ 5 into 3 to the power 3 කියන්නේ 9, 9 into 2. මේ multiply කරන්න 5 into 9 කියන්නේ 5 into 9 45. 5 into 9 45, 45 into 2 90 නේද? මේ බලන්නකෝ පුතා 5 into 9 45, 45 into 2 90. Okay. Let's go to the next one. මේ පුතා 7 Instead of x, put 4. Instead of y, put 3. I mean 3 to the power 2. So, put 7 into 4 into me 3 to the power 2. 3 into 3, 9. Me බලන්න දැන් 7 into 4 කියන්නේ 28. So 28 into 9. හරි. දැන් multiply කරන්න මේ 9 into 8. 72. 7 remaining. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Of the chat. To be honest, if parents are listening to me, right, a lot of students, from grade 6 onwards, මෙයාලා මේ පොඩි ළමයි කියලා හිතලා මෙයාලට කවි වලින් ගීත වලින් ගණන් ගන්නලා දෙනවා සමහර කට්ටිය. අන්න ඒවා කරලා මේ සුළු දෙයක්වත් කරගන්න බෑ. මේ ළමයින්ගේ logical ability එක destroy කරලා දෙනවා. කවුද? මම දන්නේ නැහැ. I don't know. මේ ළමයින්ගේ මේ logical ability එක නැති කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒ ගවි වලින් ගීත වලින් ගණන් ගන්නලා. ඒ කවි වලින් ගීත වලින් සින්දු වලින් ගණන් ගන්නන්න බෑ. මේක logical subject එකක්. This is a logical subject. That's why then here then if parents are listening to me, then hear me how simple is this? That 7xy square. We have to substitute the values x equal 4 and y equal 3. And mainly 7 into x into y square. Instead of x වෙනුවට 4 දානවා. x කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 4 දානවා. ඒ y square නේ. y කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 3 දානවා නම් 3 square තමයි y square කියලා කියන්නේ. එතකොට මේ 7 into 4 28. එතකොට 3 to the power 2 කියන්නේ 9 නේ. 3 into 3 9 නේ. 3 වරක් 3 9යි නේ. එතකොට 28 into 9 නේ. multiplication උත් බෑ සමහර අයට. මේ 9කට 72යි 7ක් ඉතුරුයි 9ක් දෙක 18යි 18ට 7ක් 25යි. දැන් ඔය සිම්පල් දෙයක එක බෑ සමහර අයට. ඒකට හේතුව හොයලා බැලුවොත් 6 වසරේ ඉඳලා කවි වලින් ගීත වලින් ගණන් ගන්නලා. ඉතින් ළමයාගේ logical ability එක. ඒ ළමයාගේ හිතන තරකන හැකියාව ඒව නැති වෙලා. දැන් කේම්බ්‍රිජ් සිලබස් එක ගත්තොත් අපි ලන්ඩන් සිලබස් එක ගත්තොත් ලන්ඩන් කේම්බ්‍රිජ් ඉඩෙක්සල් සිලබස් ගත්තොත් එහෙම මීට වඩා දේවල් තියෙනවා මේ වයස ළමයින්ට. ඒ ළමයින්ගේ හොඳට ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. අර ලොජිකල් හොඳ ලොජිකල් ඇබිලිටි එකක් තියෙනවා ඒ ළමයින්ට. මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඒ දේවල්. I don't know. Churi Pute, shall we go for the 11th question? Puta, we have to find 11p square. Write down find 11p square q square when p equal to and q equal 1. Puta, when p equal to and q equal 1, I have to find the value of 11p square q square. මේක තව සරල කරලා 11p square මේ p ගේ square එක මේ q ගේ square එක. දැන් මේ instead of p මේ p කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 2 දානවා. ඒකත් බැයි නම් මොකද කරන්නේ මම? මේ p කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 2 දානවා. මේ Q කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 1 දානවා. මේ Q කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 1 දානවා. तर 11 මේ 2 ස්ක්වයර් කියන්නේ 2 into 2. 1 ස්ක්වයර් කියන්නේ 1 into 1 නේ. 2 into 2 means 4. 1 into 1 කියන්නේ 1. හරි. तर මේ බලන්න 11 into 4 කියන්නේ 44. तर 44 into 1 means answer is 44. Shruti, okay? Okay, පුතේ. Shall we go for the 12th one? Okay. Alright, when A equal 3, B equal 2, C equal 5, alright, I want to find the value of A square B into C square. පුතේ A square, A की square එක. හරි into B into C ගේ square එක. Instead of A I put 3. මේ A වෙනුවට 3 දානවානේ බබු. Here it is 2. Instead of C I put 5. Five to the power 2 can 5 into 5, 45. 5 to the power 2. 5 into 5, 5 into 5 then 25. Sorry, 25. Yeah? Sorry. 3 to the power 3, 3 into 3, 9. And this thing you can multiply like 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 25 කියලා multiply කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Or here 9 into me 2 into 25 means 50 එහෙමත් පුළුවන්. So the answer is me 9 into 0, 0, 9 into 5, 45, 450 the answer. Okay, පුතේ. හරි. පුතේ. Take a very small special note එකක් දාන්න. Tute එක කරන කට්ටිය tute එක පැත්තක මේ special note එක දාන්න. Special note. පුතේ මේ power of a product. මේ product එකක power එක. I can write as product of powers. May M power is belong to both A and B. I can write like this. Division, the power of a division of a power of a division. I can write division of powers. Special note. 13th one. We shall go to the 13th one. When x equal half and y equal 4, find x cube y square. Okay. චුටි පුතේ බලන්න. දැන් ඔන්න x cube y square නේ. කියන්නේ x to the power 3 into y to the power 2 no. Instead of x I put half. Instead of y I put 4. පුතා මේ බලන්න. මේ power of division නෙමෙයි. එතකොට මේ this thing I can write 1 to the power 3 over 2 to the power 3. දැන් මේක දිහා බලලා මේක මෙහෙම එනවා කියලා කියන්න බෑ කියලා කියන්නේ එතන ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. මේ ළමයින්ගේ logical ability එක ගැන ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. ඒවා හදන්න ඕන අපි දැන්. ඒවා දැන් විනාශ කරලා ඒවා අපි හදන්න ඕන ළමයින්ගේ. දැන් මේ a over b ගේ m power we can write it as a to the power m in over b to the power මේ m කියන එක මේ දෙන්නටම belong වෙයි. එහෙනම් මේ 1 over 2 to the power 3 I can write it as මෙහෙමත් ලියන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් it doesn't matter if you දැන් එහෙමත් පුළුවන් නැත්නම් දැන් 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 into 1 over 2 කියලා මෙහෙම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Here it is 4 into 4. Sorry. Then here it is 1 into 1 into 1 it is 1. 2 into 2 into 2 it is 8. So 1 over 8 into 4 into 4 it is 16. Right. දැන් ඔන්න fraction ඉගෙනගෙන නැහැ සමහර අය. ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා. හරි. පුතේ. Then for an example if I have some fraction multiplication like this. Okay, මේ 2 into 20 10 20 5 මේක 30 නේ. ඔහොමනේ ගන්නෙ. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ both are divisible by 10 so the simplest fraction is 2 over 3. දැන් ඔහොම වටේ යන්නේ නැතුව if you have multiplication of two fractions හරි පුතා you can simplify numerators and denominators මේ කියන්නේ මේ හරයන් ලවයන් අතර පොදු සාධක ඉන්නවනම් ඉවත් කරගන්න පුළුවන් හරි you can solve හරි you can remove the common factors in between numerators and denominators හරි දැන් මේ 2 and 6 both are divisible by 2 how many 2s for 2 1 how many 2s for 6 3 here both are divisible by 5 how many 5s for 5 1 how many 5s for 10 2 එහෙනම් ඔන්න මේ 1 into 2 2 1 into 3 3 බලන්න එකපාරින් උත්තරේ ගන්න පුළුවන් හරිද likewise then here it is a whole number no පුතා if it is a whole number the denominator is 1 then me 1 how many 8s for 8 1 how many 8 for 16 2 so 1 into 2 2 1 into 1 1 2 over 1 කියන්නේ 2 ඉතින් හරි so the answer is 2 පුතේ හරි answer is 2 දැන් අර 1 to the power 2 ගේ දැන් මේ වහන්න පුතේ දැන් මේක ආඩෝ නම් මෙහෙම ගන්නත් තිබුණා දැන් 1 to the power 3 කියන්නේ 1 into 1 into 1 2 to the power 3 කියන්නේ 2 into 2 into 2 so 1 over 8 හරි ඒ නේදත් ඔහොම ගුණ කරලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ නෝ හරි right go to the tute මේ ටික homework කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕන I have done the 13th one, Chuti. පුතේ 13th one කරේ. 14th one homework. දැන් බලන්න මේකත් ලේසියිනේ පුළුවන් නේ පුතේ. x වෙනකොට 3 දානවා. 3 to the power 3 y වෙනකොට 11 දානවා. over 9. Then here 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 over 9 me. How many 3s for 3 1? How many 3s for 9 3? Again how many 3s for 3 1? How many 3s for 3 1? ඉතර පුතා මෙතන එනවා 33 කියලා. 33 over 1. හරි. ඔය විදිහට 16 and 17 put homework මේවල answers ටික upload වෙනවා web එකට. Seventeen ඊට පස්සේ පුතේ 18 දැන් මේ 19 බලන්න පුතේ. දැන් now I want to write 81 as a index of 3. මට 81 3 බලයක් විදිහට ලියන්න ඕන. ඒක කරන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙමයි 81 divided by 3 කියන්නේ 3ෙන් බෙදාගෙන යන්න how divided by 3. How many 3s for 81? How many 3s for 82? 3 into 2 6, 2 remaining. So 21 all 3 is 7. Again divide by 3 9. Again divide by 3 3. Again divide by 3 1. අර 1 ලැබෙනකන් කරගෙන යන්න ඊට පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ කට්ටියගේ multiplication 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 81 comes 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. පොඩ්ඩක් ගුණ කරලා බලන්න මේ 3 into 3 9 9 into 3 27 27 3 into 81. ඔක ලියන්න බලන්න ඒතර 3 to the power 4 කියලා. හරි. 19th one හරි. දැන් මෙන්න මේ example එකක් බලන්න මේ 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Then 5 to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power 2 means 5 into 5. Then if I remove the brackets, අතන ඉන්නවා 3 5s and අතන ඉන්නවා 2 5s. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 to the power 5 is the answer. ඔන්න ඔය ටික අපි කරගෙන යමු දෙක ඉදරි. ඒවල answers web එකට upload වෙනවා. The screenshot tag ගහලා තියාගන්න පුතේ. screenshot පොඩ screenshot. Complete after the class all the things. හරි. ඉතින් ඔය මේවත් homework දාගන්න. 23 24 homework 25 homework 26 homework. හරි. තව එක ගානක් මම හදන්නම්. මේ බලන්න දැන් මේ. දැන් 9 කියන එක 3 to the power b ලු. හරිද b හොයන්නලු. දැන් 9 කියන එක ලියන්න බලන්න 3 to the power 2 කියලා. එහෙනම් මේ 3 to the power b එහෙනම් b equal to right. අන්න එහෙම. දැන් පුතේ 9 into 27 3 ගේ power එකක් විදිහට ලියන්නලු. 9 කියන්නේ 3 to the power 2. 27 කියන්නේ 3 to the power 3. ඒතර ඔයාට ඕක multiply කරාම 3 to the power 5 කියලා එයි. හරි ඔන්න ඔය ටික කරගෙන එන්න මේ ඔක්කොම ඉතුරු ගණන් ටික homework. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ පුතා all the textbook exercises you have to do. All the textbook exercises ටික complete කරන්න. And complete the special tute and come to the next class. මේවා කරන්නේ මොන book එකේද? work book එකේ. හරි. Right. Okay, Buddha, see you on the next day then.